All right, let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go!
Our pre-rookie team, 95-25, shoots a cube onto the top node and looks to go for a balance. On the red alliance, we have 74-80 looking for an engage, and they've got it. Niletech's got it as well as 75-58 places their third game piece of auto, and we're on to Teleob. 27-08's climbing out of the community, heading over to the loading zone, it looks like. Oh, nope, yep. 75-58's got a cone in their intake, and they're heading over to the red community that's scored on the high node, finishing off a link for the red alliance. 2013, the cyber nodes, placing a cone for the blue alliance. Our pre-rookie team, 95-25, placing a cube on the low node. 61-35, climbing along the side of the field wall. They're just hanging out. 74-80 is in the red loading zone, looking to get a game piece. And they've got a cube in their intake. I'm sure they'll be heading back to their loading zone now. 27-08 making their way across the field into their loading zone. Or not. Our pre-rookie team, Niletech, looking to get a cube from their community and moving it over to a hybrid node. 75-58, Alt F4 has a cone in their intake. And they're looking to score it in their community. They place it on high. They try to place it on high, but it falls down to the low node. 2013, the Cyber Gnomes are in their loading zone looking to get a game piece. They quickly pick that up from the double substation, and now they've got a cone in their intake, heading back to the community. As 95-25 does a wheelie over the charge station. Oh, 95-25 hits 27-08's intake, but everything's all right. 27-08 grabs another cube and places it in the hybrid node for the Blue Alliance. We've got almost a full low grid for the Blue Alliance. As 2013 has the charge extender and places it in the low node for the Blue Alliance. That's 2 additional game pieces. We've got a double engage on the Blue Alliance with 1 second left in the match, and we have a double engage on the Red Alliance. Your unofficial scores for this match are 98 for the Red Alliance and 94 for the Blue Alliance. It's going to be a close match. We'll have our scores in just a second. And our scores for qualification match 20 are in, and the results are the Red Alliance takes it with a score of 120 to 116, a super close match. That's 3 ranking points for the Red Alliance and 2 ranking points for the Blue Alliance. Those 3 ranking points managed to keep Alt F4 in that first place. Arctos moves up to 12th, and 74-80 moves up to 18th.